make a travel setup with me. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you guys so much for checking in. This is gonna be my travel setup. I'm not actually going to Paris, by the way, but like sort of travel setup for the summer. I haven't done anything like this before, so it's gonna be an exciting time. A lot of these spreads are based on a different video, which I will link in the comments for you guys to check out if you guys want to make your own setup. But yeah, so I just started with the Eiffel Tower, and yeah, this is the front cover. Because it's quite a short video, this is all going to be in real time. But yeah, so enjoy vibey music. Here I'm just moving on to the next page. This is where I'm doing my budgeting, my packing list, my accommodation information, and also a weather tracker. Basically for the budgeting, I'm just writing down everything I brought, how much it cost in euro, and how much it cost in pounds. And then below that, my packing list with a little flap because there wasn't enough space. And then next to it, there's the accommodation, which will basically just be having like the address of the house I'll be staying at, the address and phone numbers I should be aware of, a little section for notes, and then squares so that I can write down any of the weather forecasts that pop up. Here I'm working on the very painful flap. I got there in the end and I'm really happy with how it turned out. But it was, let's just say it was like hard because it ended up going over the boxes. So now the only way I can check them off is with like a Sharpie or something, but it'll be fine. Here I'm moving on to a very simple spread. This is just a place for each week to do a bit of journaling, what I'm thinking so far of the journey, and you know, like any thoughts or feelings. And then next to it I have a scrapbook, which I'll decorate once the pictures are actually like stuck in there. And then finally, here I have a list of like a review section and then my highlights and favourite things of the trip, as well as some notes for my future self. I just have a bunch of things on the left for like would I like to do this again. I think this could either be for like products, foods, activities, I don't know, depends on like what I end up doing. So that's it. Here's the final flip through of this setup. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Like I said, I haven't really done something like this before, but I'm really excited for the journey now, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye besties!